In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Firefly 3 to generate an image. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is simply the easiest way to get to the right place quickly. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You're looking for the official Adobe result, which should clearly mention Firefly by Adobe. Click that link to go to the Firefly website. If you're asked to sign in, use your Adobe account. Some features may require you to be logged in, and that's normal for Adobe's tools. Once you're on the Firefly page, you'll see the text-to-image experience front and center. This is where the magic happens. In the prompt box, you'll describe exactly what you want Firefly to create. For this example, we'll use isometric miniature 3D cartoon scene of Paris. Let's break down why this works. Isometric tells Firefly to use a three-dimensional angled look where objects keep their proportions. Miniature suggests toy-like scale, giving it a playful diorama feel. 3D cartoon sets the style toward vibrant, rounded shapes and simplified textures. And Paris anchors the content. Think landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, classic cafes, and Haussmann-style buildings. You can make your prompt even stronger by adding a few tasteful descriptors like lighting, mood, or color palette, but keep it concise and focused. For example, terms like soft morning light, pastel colors, or sisaba or whimsical help steer the result without overwhelming it. Avoid contradictory terms. If you say realistic and cartoon together, the model might split the difference in a way you don't want. After you've entered your prompt, click Generate. Firefly will take a moment to render a set of images based on your description. The first results are often good, but think of them as a starting point. If something looks close but not quite right, refine your prompt with a small tweak. Maybe add cobblestone streets, include a cafe terrace, or include the Eiffel Tower in the background. Subtle adjustments usually produce the best improvements. When the images appear, look for the one that best matches your vision. You can save or download your favorite or run another generation with a refined prompt if you want a different composition or mood. Keep in mind that clarity and specificity are your best tools here. Describe the subject, style, scale, and ambiance, and Firefly 3 will do a great job bringing it to life. And that's it. Open Google, search for Adobe Firefly, click the official site, write a clear, focused prompt, and hit Generate. Happy creating!